Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to change the host name in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You can change the host name, computer name, in Windows through the Settings app, System Properties, or using PowerShell. The process requires a restart to apply the new name. Methods to change host name in Windows: using Settings, Windows 10 11s, open Settings, Windows key +I, go to System, then About. Under Device Specifications, click Rename this PC. Enter the new host name and click Next. Restart your computer to apply changes. Using System Properties, press Windows key +R, type sysdm.cpl, and hit Enter. In the System Properties window, go to the Computer Name tab. Click Change, type the new host name, and press OK. Restart your PC. Using PowerShell, open PowerShell as administrator. Run. Force skips confirmation. Restart reboots automatically to apply the change. Replace new hostname with your chosen name. This will rename and automatically restart the system. Important notes: restart required. The hostname change only takes effect after reboot. Length limit: host names can be up to 15 characters. Best practice: use meaningful names, for example, Office PC1, for easier management in networks. Permissions: you need administrator rights to rename the computer. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.